Welcome to Water Heater Wiz, your trusted source for all things water heater related. Today, let's explore the Lincoln heat pump water heater. Imagine waking up to a cold shower on a brisk morning. Not ideal, right? The Lincoln heat pump water heater can save the day. Why choose it? Energy efficiency transfers heat instead of generating it, saving on energy bills. Environmental friendliness uses renewable energy, reducing your carbon footprint. Reliable performance provides consistent hot water, no more cold showers. At Water Heater Wiz, we specialize in installing and maintaining Lincoln heat pump water heaters. Our skilled technicians ensure top-notch service tailored to your needs. Ready to say goodbye to cold showers? Contact Water Heater Wiz at 916-999-HEAT or visit waterheaterwiz.com for a free consultation. Join satisfied homeowners in Lincoln who have switched to the Lincoln heat pump water heater. Trust Water Heater Wiz to make your home a haven of warmth and comfort.